Hello. I'm trying out a new earbud. And after this, I plan to go for the stars that I have left for level 4 of regular Dadish. September 20th, Eternal Mausoleum. Okay. Yeah. Eternal Mausoleum. I kind of saw the boulder. I was like, I shouldn't press as I press. Let's see. Yeah, okay, I got it. I believe I understand the assignment. Oh, I'm embarrassed by how I look, but I want to try this out too. If I'm lucky, you won't be able to see me at all. Come on, there we go. I made the video circle thingy. Hi. Bye. Okay. I have headphones that I can plug in for the RGB effect. But I don't have a great... No, I thought I had that. I don't have a great spot to use them yet, visually, obviously. Though honestly, you can see me, and I don't really like the way I look as the lighting is now. So if I had the headphones at hand, which somehow I don't, given that I stay here, I thought I'd get lucky and they'd be just within my reach, but no. Okay. Honestly, this one seems absurdly hard for a Daily Dadish level. I just need to not stop there at all. I feel like the first 2 times I got lucky and didn't die there. Okay. No! That was just too big of a jump. I'm embarrassed at this point. I should be better. Yeah, no, I got so dang close. I even did the double jump, I thought. Oh well. Maybe it just didn't register. I am using that controller again. Which for now I will call the excuse controller. But legit, it doesn't actuate great. Okay. Oh, there's a bright light reflecting my left eye. It's weird. It's just a headlight. Okay, I gotta time this. Woohoo! I timed it great. I timed it super great. I should have brought enough snacks to share with the ancient demons and crystal skulls. Crystal skulls don't eat. Gotta move the circle. Oh well. You'll bring more next time. Yeah, I shouldn't have given them all away to the goblins. There are Goblins?
There's one right behind you.
Ah! Good Dadish. Okay, I guess that's it. Bye. Bye, everyone. Moving it back up. Okay. Bye. Bye.